In the previous video, we learned how to add new pages. And in this one, I'll show you how you can customize pages on your rental marketplace. Let's go to the home page. As you can see, it already looks fine. However, several important details are still missing. For example, there is no header image. To add a header image, click on the Customize button. Then go to the Header Image section and upload an image. Then optionally crop it and click on the Publish button. Don't forget to publish it one more time. Now the header image is set, but let's also go through all the other sections within the customizer to give this rental marketplace a unique look and feel. In the Site Identity tab, add a custom logo, remove the default WordPress tagline. Also, you can set the copyright notice here. In the Colors tab, you can change the main colors to match your brand or company, namely primary, secondary and background colors. But I am okay with the default RentalHive colors, so I'll just leave everything as it is. Next, go to the Menus section. Here, you can customize menu items within the available website areas. The header and footer areas are available by default. For example, let's add the home, listings and blog pages to the header menu. You can create a new menu or customize the existing one. I'll customize this one. Simply click on the Add Items button and select the pages you want to add. You can follow the same steps for the footer menu. For example, let's add the basic links for the privacy policy and terms of use pages that I have added behind the scenes. As you can see, these two pages are now displayed in the footer. Let's move to the next section. Here, in the Widgets section, you can add custom widgets to any of the available areas of the theme, like sidebar or footer. But I'll skip this for now since widgets are optional and you should use them only if some extra content like ads is required in these areas. In the Home page section, you can link the front and the blog pages, but we have already done this earlier, so let's skip this section. In the Fonts section, you can change the heading and text fonts for your website and select any font provided by the Google Fonts service. Finally, there is a CSS section, where you can keep custom CSS code snippets to adjust the website styles. For example, let's hide the Add Listing button. Here it is, and let's hide it with this simple snippet. As you can see, it disappeared. We have a collection of ready-made PHP and CSS code snippets for HivePress. I'll add a link to it in the video description, so feel free to check it out. Also, please note that I have changed the button title behind the scenes. However, in the video description I'll add a link to our screencast on how to change any static text in HivePress. Okay. Now, we finished customizing the look and feel of this website and can move to the next step, where I'll show how you can monetize a rental marketplace. See you in a minute.